What's up, beauties, and welcome to today's video. So today is going to be, as you saw by the title, my baby picks my makeup. So up next I do have some clips of Cole picking out a big range of products for me to pick from. I did choose 2 to 3 products so he wasn't overwhelmed, and he picked out some great stuff. I created this look with it, and if you guys liked it, you want to see Cole's cuteness, you want to see how I create this in full, go ahead and keep watching. If you have not yet or you are new here, please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so you are notified every time I post. Give this video a thumbs up if you do enjoy, and let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Okay, pick a primer. Smashbox, that's a good one. Next up is foundation. Are you ready? We have L'Oreal, NARS, and Tarte. Which one should mommy wear? Which one? Which one? Ooh, Tarte. Okay, okay. Which one should mommy wear? That one? The Wet n Wild? Okay. Oh, that was a quick one. Quick pick. All right, concealer is the Shape Tape. Thanks, Cole. Which blush should mommy wear? We got 2. MAC? All right, both. All right, we can go with the MAC. We're getting fast, we're getting feisty. Okay, which bronzer? Which way? Too Faced? All right, we can do that. 3 brow options. We've got MAC, Urban Decay, and Anastasia. Well, you touched the MAC one first, so we'll go with that. Mascara. We have got all 3. Okay, Lancome it is. This boy likes his options. Ooh, sparkly. Okay. 3 options. Which one? Which one's that? Ooh. Oh no! The MAC eyeliner. Good choice. You really love the MAC products today, huh? Thank you. Big choices to make here. You ready? Eyeshadow palettes. Let me put them down, okay? Which one? Oh, it's perfect for fall. You like the glitter, huh? Anastasia Sultry. I'm excited. Good picks, bub. Cole, you did great. All right, guys. So let's start off right away with the primer that Cole picked, which is the Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur. I absolutely love this one, so thank you, Cole. Well, I just squeezed out way too much, but welcome back. I did take like a week break from filming, my own time, just because Cole is teething. He's got 4 molars coming at once. He hasn't had any yet, and they're all coming at one time, so I've just been focusing my time on him and going through that with him. I can't even imagine. So that's what's going on in my life. I'm going in with the Tarte Face Tape in shade 35N. So yeah, hilarious. So I go to put all the products down, and he's like picking everything up so much faster than I can even get my camera out. It's literally so funny. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. I know it wasn't like the most perfect footage ever because I was trying to go fast enough to record him and put everything down and whatnot. But yeah, I thought it was cute. How's everyone doing? I can't believe it's October. It's almost Christmas. Who am I? It's almost Halloween. I'm so excited. Real quick, I wanted to mention what I'm doing different now on my face. So what I would normally do is I would put the product on my sponge and then blot it here. But I noticed that, I don't know, my nose is super dry. I don't know if that's why this is happening, but at the end of the day, my makeup on my nose would separate. Just going to blame it on too much product being on it. So basically, I am not initially putting a bunch of product on my nose. I'm just using whatever is left and going over it with that to hopefully keep my nose from separating that product at the end of the day. And so far, so good recently. Cole did just go down for a nap, so that's my time to film. And Ryan is with Grandma today. Thank goodness for grandmas. He needed just some time out of the house. He needed to get out and do things. I can't really go anywhere, so why not go to grandma's and make cookies and do other fun Halloween stuff. So we are so lucky to have our parents so close to us. Seriously, so lucky. They have the most amazing grandparents ever. I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape in shade 29N. Thank you, Cole, again for this. It works so well together, so he couldn't have picked a better combo. So yeah, Halloween. We just recently got like our hours for trick-or-treating. I was kind of wondering, you know, we all live in different places, so how is it where you guys live? Again, not putting product straight on my nose because I don't want it to separate. I'll just use the extra and put it on there. But yeah, so what is Halloween like for you guys? Are you guys trick-or-treating? Is that still a thing? Do you not do Halloween at all? Yeah, I'd love to know because I know everywhere is different, and I'm actually very surprised that they somehow didn't figure out a way to cancel Halloween. I would like to take our safest approach possible to that because I do have 2 little kids and I don't really want them to miss out on that. But again, we will be as safe as possible during that day. Like honestly, every day we're just at home hanging out, so they kind of need that normalcy, I feel like. And Ryan would be so sad if he missed Halloween. Next I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild setting powder and just kind of put that all over. I know it looks like a lot, but I am going to stamp it all in and then wipe the rest away. I feel like this is going so fast. It's amazing. Next up, we're going to do eyes, and he picked the Sultry palette by Anastasia. I have not done a video yet with this, so kind of exciting. Sultry, fall, winter, great for this time of year. I kind of picked palettes that I knew would look good for right now, but this is what the palette looks like. Again, I love all of their palettes. Such a pretty one. So many great shimmers in there. We are going to start with Fresh. It is like a white shade, and I'm gonna put that just all over real quick. Thank goodness I just very recently cleaned all of my eyeshadow brushes that go in the palettes. You have these things sitting in there and then you never clean them, but I cleaned them very recently and thank goodness that I did. So I'm literally just putting this all over to kind of even out my lids because I do have some dark veins and I just try to fade them as much as possible because I don't like seeing them behind an eyeshadow look. I feel like this is the perfect transition shade, which is this shade Birch, just a light tan color. And I'm going to very lightly, just circular motions all over the lid. I have been seriously working on using a lighter hand and not making things too bold. Makes everything so much easier to blend out once you're done with that shade anyway. That color is kind of all over. It's very light, very subtle. So I'm going to go into my next shade, which is going to be this pink shade in Bloom. And I am going to use the same brush because I'm probably not going to go back into the tan color. And I am going to super lightly, because I know this one is pigmented, put that in the crease. And what I'm going to do here is hopefully have that fade up into the tan color, and then we're gonna go bold on the eyes. It's gonna be a look where I'm gonna slightly pull it out and up. So I'm gonna do that with the pink. If you guys liked me incorporating Cole picking out my makeup, please stop what you're doing. Give this video a thumbs up. Give me a comment as well, just so I know that you guys like that. Do you guys like when I incorporate the kids? Are you not about it? You're just here for the makeup? Yeah, let me know. I will not be offended. Just let me know what you're thinking, because I make videos for myself, but I also make them for you guys. So I would love to know what you guys want to see. And then if you guys do have any video requests, as always, please just put them down below. And hopefully I can do that. What I'm going to do is the other side of the brush has like a dense small side, and I'm going to use that for underneath, because I'm going to put the pink under there in Bloom, because I am going to go underneath with a darker shade afterward. And for the sake of saving brushes, I'm going to use the same one. Actually, I'm running low. Sundays is usually when I clean my brushes, and I didn't get to yesterday, so I'm going to do that today. I'm going to go into this dark brown shade. It is called Dystopian, and I am just going to, again, these are very Again, these are very pigmented, so just put a little bit on the tip, and I'm going to go in so lightly and just let that build. So the brown is on there. It's still pretty light, but I'm going to put down a shimmer, and then we're going to go back over it and blend it all together. I think what I'm going to do is take this pink shimmer in Rose Quartz. It is pretty pink, and put that all over, because then it's going to complement the pink bloom color that I have on there. And her shimmers, Anastasia, you know what I'm saying. She has such great quality shimmers. And I typically just use my finger because I feel like it goes on easiest that way. I don't know why shimmers seem to be stubborn with the brush, but this is just quick and easy. Let's take that same brush that I used with the brown, and as always, just kind of blend them together. Give it a smoky look. I feel like I'm going to use my light lashes, and it's all just going to come together. Then I'm going to use the end of the brush that comes with the palette and deepen up the lower lash line a little bit. I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera, but the pink is peeking out beneath this brown. This is just going to make everything look really smoky. I'm going to take Pearl, which is this very light shimmer, and really focus that on the inner corner and make it pop, as always. So one of my favorite steps. It's not for everyone, but I really like it. Next, I'm going to take my MAC Brush Black liner. It looks like this, that Cole picked. Such an awesome one. He picked a lot of Tarte and a lot of MAC products, which I'm totally fine with. And I'm just going to go ahead, do my wing. This one makes it super easy to make the end of your wing super thin, and that I love about it. Okay, I'm back and the wing is on. I actually really like the way it's just peeking out of the eyeshadow. Next I'm going to use the Lancome Monsieur Big. Is it just me, or does my hair look very bridal today with the half up, half down deal I've got going on? I'm just really trying to make it work for the last day of hair before I wash. Also, shout out to this lighting today. The natural lighting is just on point. I don't need my light on, my mirror on at all. And Nick's mom, we're talking about it today. She said she's more of like the scary Halloween decorator versus like the cute Halloween decorator. What are you? I feel like I like more of the cute stuff, like cute pumpkins and stuff like that. Like black pumpkins, light neutral pumpkins. Or are you all about like the vampires and the ghosts? I feel like both are good, but you lean more one way than the other. Okay, so I didn't even think about the lower lash line. I'm going to use the Benefit Roller Lash, little tiny one real quick. Bottom lashes are done. I'm going to go in with my MAC eyebrow pencil in shade Brunette. One side is a spoolie, and then one side is the pencil. This is the one Cole picked. This one's super nice and easy, like literally one thing and you're done. I'm just gonna quickly pretty much outline and fill these guys in. I feel like there really is no perfect product for the way that I do my brows, because so many, that was weird, because so many products are so different. Like I can use a brow pomade or just a pencil or like a dual-ended thing, and they come out pretty similar. So I wouldn't say there's like a perfect product for what I like for the way I'm doing my brows, because you can really just finagle your way with any product and get pretty much the same outcome. Bronzer, almost forgot that. I don't know how. Who am I? He picked the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. Not complaining about that. I'm just gonna go ahead and use that. So I did forget to have him pick like highlighter and lipstick, but we can totally go without highlighter. I've actually been doing that a lot lately. What I have been doing is just taking my finger in my bronzer and so slightly contouring the nose, because I do think that's an important part. I go in with my MAC Gingerly that Cole picked. I told you lots of Tarte and MAC products he picked. Thank you. Those are some of my favorite, to be honest. This is not like the perfect color for today's look, but It's alright, Cole picked it. So like I said, I did forget to have him pick a lipstick. I'm just gonna use this NARS Velvet Lip Glide in Roseland. It's not like a permanent lip color like a matte liquid lip would be, but it does give you a nice tint. It's very hydrating, so like if you were going out to dinner, going out somewhere, and you wanted it to last all night, I wouldn't recommend, but I really like this one. Okay, so now I just have a little bit of color on my lips. I actually don't want to do lashes. I like the way this looks without them. If I was like going out somewhere, maybe I'd put some on, but I don't want to take away from the eyeshadow look. This is the finished look. I really do like it. Thank you, Cole, for picking out such good products. He's so cute. I'm glad I decided to do that real quick before he took his nap. He's so funny. He picked out things so quickly. I do really like the pop of shimmer. And I like the way the wing is poking out. I feel like this could be so dramatic with the right lashes, but you know, it's Monday and I think that this is pretty good for today. I like the finished product. If you guys liked it too, please give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment and let me know what other video suggestions you guys have for me. If you liked seeing Cole in my video, if you want to see someone else in my video, please let me know. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys all loved it as much as I did. I love the way it turned out, and I will see you all in my next video.